Alright, we've got a lot of sprouts coming up for our garden, but our cat likes to get up here and smash them and kill them. The peas are doing good, the cabbage is starting, the hot peppers are not. That could be my fault. I probably should have started things that were more like each other. The green beans are coming up pretty good. Got a few of them that aren't starting. I'm not sure why. We got one over here, it's coming out the side of the pod. My wife has tomatoes coming up in hers, but her herbs are not starting yet. Could be operator error. We'll give it a couple weeks and find out. But to stop the cat from jumping up here, attached to our bedroom is the old front porch that we turned into an office, and as you can see, it's neglected. Majorly. When we go out there to get stuff, we don't always organize it back because we're only out there like 5 times a year. But it gets lots of sunlight, so I am going to start cleaning, organizing, and making room so we can put the plants out here and keep my fucking cat off of them. Well, it's not perfect, but a lot closer to having it organized so we can get the plants out here. Now we just gotta go through all the shit. Alright, that's a lot better. Now these plants can get some light while we're waiting for the sun to warm up outside some more. Tomorrow we're gonna have to thin the green beans. Probably add some water to these in 2 or 3 days because they're all pretty moist right now. But now we're gonna build a screen for this opening so the cats stay the hell out of here. Alright, got some window screen, some lath, some nails, staple gun, hammer. Let's peel the trim off and make a screen. Alright, the cats are gonna hate this, but this should keep them out of the produce. We can shut this door from the inside. I don't think our cats are gonna try very hard. They're not very smart cats. I put the screen under the trim. I put lath on both sides, nailed it in place, and then I put clear Gorilla Tape across the bottom. So if they do push, it's not going anywhere. So hopefully we can protect these plants from this asshole. This one is a wild man, does whatever the hell he wants. Don't you, Bo? You're crazy. This cat doesn't give us any problems. She's antisocial, but she likes attention. But she doesn't ask for it, and she stays the hell off of things. Anyways, it's 8 o'clock at night. I'm done for the day. We'll see if it works. It better. Because I'd hate to kick you outside, Bo. They are indoor-outdoor cats, and he's tired of being inside for the winter, so I understand. Just stay the hell out of my plants, cat.